to as much as 11 million in 1990. After a dip in 1991, the figure continued to increase and reach a record high of over 15 million. Likewise, the market share of Australia displayed a rapid growing trend between 1985 and 1988, from as low as 2% to almost 5% by 1985, even though there was a sharp turn in the following year. Australia managed to break the downward trend and the proportion recovered before slowing down again at 6% by the end of the decade. Description of multiple chart. A flow chart is the graphical depiction of the step and sequence of procedures of a program. Flow chart help analysts and programmers solve problems into small segments and helps in analyzing other alternatives to a question. We learn new and complex content as education advances. At a young age, we are introduced to the multiplication used in everyday life, from simple mathematics to complex calculation on text forms. A simple way to learn this is through a multiplication chart or multiplication table. This chart helps us memorize various multiplication equations so that we can provide answers quickly and accurately. Here, example of multiple chart. 1. Bar chart, depicted with a vertical bar or bar. Each bar has 4 exchange rate information, namely open, high, low, and close for a certain period. Of course, the bar chart becomes more informative to the movement of the exchange rate for 1 hour. The range of exchange rate movement for 1 hour can be known from the distance of the highest and lowest exchange rates. 2. Line chart. This chart becomes a very simple chart in its appearance, as it ignores the random occurrence of the formation of the highest, lowest, and opening exchange rates. The range of exchange rate movement for 1 hour